Alright, starting out with wheel oven recipes. Today I'm going to be trying to cook bacon in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. Now, I did a frozen pizza and things got a little smoky, but we're going to see what happens with bacon. We're just going to jump into it and see, if things work out, if things get smoky, or whatever happens. We're going to get into bacon in the NuWave Primo right now. Alright, so we have bacon here. It's the Applewood smoked center cut bacon, thick sliced, sugar cured. This type of bacon, if a smoker causes smoke, this is going to flesh out a lot of smoke, because this is the type of bacon it is. But this is some good bacon, and if it can't cook good bacon right, then there's a problem with the cooker, in my opinion. So we're going to see what the NuWave Primo can do with this bacon here. We've seen some cookers do well with it. We've seen some cookers do poorly with it. Some cookers do smoke management better than others. Some do smoke management very well. Some do smoke management very poorly. But we're going to get some strips of bacon out here on the Primo, and we're going to go right at it. We're going to put it right on that grill plate down here on the bottom of the Primo. We're going to see how many slices we can get across this grill plate, just so that we know basically what our threshold is for slices of bacon. And we're going to see how they cook up. So far I've got about 4. I'm not going to overload it. This slice I'm going to kind of contort these slices a little to kind of fit in there well, but I'm not going to overdo it on the bacon. So I think we got about 5 slices comfortable. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna leave it at 5. I'm not going to overdo it as far as the number of slices. I'm gonna keep try and make sure each slice has a little bit of space in between it, just for a little breathing room. Now that I've got the bacon in place there, I'm going to go ahead and get the power dome on with the power head of the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So now I've got my power head in place with the dome on there, and I'm going to turn the NuWave Primo on. I'm going to go all the way up to 400 degrees because I like to cook my bacon hot. If you've been seeing any of my videos where I cooked any bacon, we go all the way, we go hot, and we see what happens, because that's how we like to do it. 50% top and bottom for the heating elements, top and bottom, both at 50%. The cook time, I'm just going to leave the default 15 minutes, see what happens with that. And so we're going to go ahead and just hit start, and I'm going to let this run, and I'll bring you back in a moment. Alright, so we are 4 minutes into the cook at 400 degrees, 50% on both heating elements, and I'm seeing some smoke coming out of the vents. Doesn't look like anything bad though. Doesn't look too bad yet, but there is some smoke coming out. But we're going to let this continue. It's been 5 minutes now. There's still some smoke venting through the holes, but our bacon's cooking away. And so we'll see what happens here. I'm wondering if maybe I should flip my bacon, because it looks like maybe it's getting really grilled on one side and the other side is looking like it may not be as fully cooked as the side that's on the grill side. So I think I'm going to just take a look-see, and I'm going to pause here. I'm going to go on in there. A lot of smoke coming out now. I want to see what this side looks like. This side's a little more cooked. I mean, not Not a whole lot yet, but it is getting more of the grill on that side. I'm just going to flip it because this side is going to obviously cook faster than the top side. I'm going to flip them over to try and even out that cook a bit. So far the smoke's not too bad, thankfully. We'll see how this continues further into this cook. I'm going to go ahead and start things up again. Whoops, I accidentally hit a button. I hit my time button trying to put my hood back on. Let me lower my time down to 10 minutes. I was at 10 minutes left. So we're at 10 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. So just continue from there at our 400 for about 10 more minutes or more if it needs more. But we'll see how this goes. We'll let this just continue. Alright, so we are 11 minutes into the cook at 400 degrees. I did flip the bacon 5 minutes in, but I have not been getting any more excess smoke coming out. So the smoke has never been bad as far as the bacon. The bacon's looking like it's pretty well about done, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking it's done. I'm going to, let's see, let's stop it. We'll turn off here, 11 minutes. And that's our cooked bacon. Alright, so let's get a slice plated here. Let's look at the back side. Look at that back side. Like well grilled bacon on that back side. Let me hold it up to you. That's our front side. Let's show you the back side. Back side's got some nice grill marks on it, so some nice searing. That looks good. That looks really, really nice. I like what the Primo's done here. 11 minutes. Let's get the camera swapped, do some taste testing. Alright, so here's our bacon. Fried, grilled, I don't know what you want to call it, from the NuWave Primo, air fried, air grill fried. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but leave a comment. Tell me what you call it. I guess it could be grilled bacon. I guess it could be air fried bacon. One or the other. Maybe both. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test of this. Look at, I mean, it's very even. I'm very impressed how even the full strip was cooked. It's not like part of it's overcharred on one end and, you know, undercooked on the other, or overcharred on one end and just cooked right on the other. It's all cooked equally the same. That's nice. Nice crispy bacon. I mean, it turned out well. The Primo did a wonderful job with this bacon. Just 11 minutes, which is not a lot of time. It cooked it nice and crispy, perfectly even. I like that. You know, other cookers like the Cuisinart digital air fry toast oven can do bacon in 9 or 10 minutes, but parts of it are going to be like overcooked more than others. It's not an even cook of the bacon. The Primo, 11 minutes, 450% on both heating elements. I did have to flip it after 5 minutes, and that did seem to quell the smoke that was starting initially. I guess maybe just in that initial part of the cook that, you know, some of the grease causes a little smoke, but it's never anything bad, never anything set off smoke alarms. It was more like a normal degree of smoke cooking bacon if you're gonna cook it like on a stovetop or something. It's like a normal degree of bacon, not bad. And so, you know, it turned out real nice, real good, real even. I really like how the Primo did my bacon. You know, I think as far as bacon, that's probably my favorite outcome of bacon that I've seen from cookers that I've been using. That just very nice, even cook. So the NuWave Primo Grill Oven combo gets a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. 4 thumbs up for, well, let's give it 5. 5 thumbs up for cooking bacon. Great job. Really impressed with this, cooking the bacon. Definitely going to be cooking my bacon on a NuWave Primo. But you can find this, other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Also, direct access to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Also, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.